All right. Knocking at my door, and I know the reasons he be coming back. And know the government do what they don't need, just kick down my door. Even though I'm on the floor with the gun to my head. All the reasons I'm holding all the trees, and I got a lot of weed. They be spotting me when you move head in the mood, and who the hell is you? Oh, you coming through, holding up the innocent. You'll get harassed by the bed. Call my girl, baby, coming just as quick as she can. With the money from the case, we gonna make it alright. Even on my weed and money, could afford it tonight. Leave the case to detonate inside the place when I'm gone. Bet I'm loaded out again on this one, all on your own. In the mood, and who the hell is you? Oh, you coming through, holding up the innocent you. Holding up the innocent you. Knocking at my door. Oh, babe, I know the reasons he be coming back. Know they're coming through, I tell him he just kicked down my door. Even though I'm on the floor with the gun to my head. All the reasons I'm holding all the trees, and I got a lot of weed. They be spotting me with their food red in the mood, and just who the hell is you? Oh, you coming through, holding up the innocent you. Holding up the innocent you. Trumpet, Mr. Jeremy Hassick. Is everyone alive out there? There we go. Here's the one I know. Oh, 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 no. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, 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 no. Ooh, this is how it starts. Two lovers in the dark on the run from the one that they call Sheriff Spark. 6 guns by the side and bullets round the waist. 2 shots in the sky, signal sign for the chase. Safe was AT&T and they were nearly free, but was seen by the good eye and the feed with a clean scream at the top of the sons are on the run. 2 outside, just grab your holsters and your guns. I said I wish that we could stay, and I feel our time is come, and we can ride out in the darkness, and chasing the rising sun. Sit back up, back to sense. We're heading southbound to the next town, and if we third like this to save me, baby, you can lay me down, lay me down, lay me down, lay me down. guns in the wounds. Now they're crossing borders, here's posse on the tail. We'd rather die together than be stuck up in a cell. They drink up all the whiskey and they party every night. Like Hiccup made the last about, he said to shoot on sight. The JC in the summer knew it came with the prize. They wouldn't stop running till they found the paradise. But the sheriff finally got him with his eyes seeing red. So the lovers had to shoot him down and fill him full of lead. They were finally free to find a place to lay their head. When he finally did, he looked at her and then he said, I said, I think that you can stay. And I feel like time has come. And we can walk down to the ocean and sit with the rising sun. There's something back of backs since then. No more running from town to town. And now that we are so safely, maybe you can lay me down. Lay me down. Lay me down. Oh, lay me down. Well, you're my grade 9 girl, and I've been running around with you. It's the afternoon, and we got nothing left to do. So wipe the dirt off, or take your shirt off, and we should go hit the kitchen 'cause we got work on. I said it's hot outside, that big old swimming in your eyes. You've been running for a while, watch you lay down, make me smile. I could never ask for nothing better than this. It's just tequila and the beach, that's why it's salty when we kiss. I said I think that we can stay, and I feel like time has come. We can fly out in the darkness, chasing the rising sun. So pack the bags and since then, no more running from town to town. Now that we arrive so safely, maybe you can lay me down. Lay me down. Lay me down. Oh, lay me down. Lay me down. Give it up for the lovely Bianca Sasha on the bass guitar. Thank you very much. Yeah. Everyone feeling good out there? I'm feeling much better now, man. I was rough this morning. Puking up blood and shit. Ugh, rough. Anyways, this is another original, which means we wrote it. It was a little something like this. Guitar player's blowing it. Oh, he's bad. 1, 2, fuck you! This is all I can't take it from me. This is all I is the way down by the sea. It's hard to believe I left it all behind. It's hard to believe I brought peace to my mind. With the old whistle here. This next one's written by Ryan Shadowitz. He wrote this one out in California about a homeless guy.
It was Clark, man, and out of his mind.
There's no deeper meaning to this song. Just about a homeless guy.
All around all day and not a care, and no one and no trouble in his way. He just lives in his life and no need for a house and no need for a wife. He'll just rolling out of stuff and then he'll be content with the life that he lives. So many things can bring you down, turn your whole world upside down. When you're on the sea, it's you and I. It will change up and down. So many things to bring you down, turn this whole world upside down. When will you see it's you and I, and that is all just made for me. No job, no house to call a home, but he lives by the motto to each his own. He's happy with what he's got, and they're smoking upon his pipe and drinking his barley pop. Some people may look at him and say that he's no good in every single way, and that's the trouble with this world today. And now they're judging you, so you better watch what you say. So many things can bring you down, turn this whole world upside down. When you finally see it's you and I, it will change up and down. So many things can bring you down, turn your whole world upside down. When you finally see it's you and I, and that is all just made for me. Hey,